Alright, this is one of our 5G towers. All of these radios, and these radios are all 5G. These are older stuff. This is what actually gives you your cell service. But all these 5G, so these are like the brain. These tell it like how much to give and how much to not give, depending on the area. And these are like the tanks that hold all of the 5G. So this is half of the mixture, and this is the other half of the mixture. And when you put them together, it creates coronavirus. So then that gets to go through these tubes and out of these antennas and projects all over y'all. And I'm just up here to refill it. Also, if you get the vaccination, it makes it like 30 times worse. That's why I am unvaxxed, because I'm the one who works with this shit. If I got vaxxed, I'd be dead already. But yeah, this is how we're doing population control right now. See, one of these is loose, so it's got a leak. So I've got to figure out which one of these is loose and tighten it back down too.
Oh, looking forward to me bloody vaccine rollout, so let's get the ingredients ready. First we need a cup of propaganda, that goes in there, and a sprinkle of fear-mongering from the media, chuck a little bit in from the premiers, actually chuck a fair bit in from the premiers, a pinch of government corruption with payouts from the FDA and Big Pharma, pour in some daily press conferences with pre-planned questions. Now we just need to sift in the slogan, we're doing this for the health of the community, alright, get that in there. Now at this point you need to stir in some fake death certificates and stats, and you'll need to keep that circulating. Now don't forget to threaten employers with fines, so that goes in now. Oh, and at this stage you'll need a few lockdowns, so put them in, but not all at once. You're going to need to spread these out for later. I was going to add in some influenza here, but I can't seem to find any anywhere. Like, nowhere. Chuck in half a cup of school closures. Now mix this together well and get some celebrities on board. And we just finish it off with some utter garbage from the PM that'll contradict the rogue premiers. And there you have it. Bake that for as long as it takes to fool the masses into believing this utter garbage.